What's going on, everybody? My name is Parker. I'm standing here at Uncharted Recreation in Meridian, Idaho. And today we're going to be taking a look at this 2024 Cruiser RV MPG 2600 RB. Really cool floor plan, guys. This has a huge rear bathroom, king size bed, and tons more. Let's get to it. Okay, we'll start off with some specs here, guys. So this unit has a total length of 30 feet 8 inches. So decent sized trailer here. However, the dry weight is only 6,274 pounds. So perfect for those half-ton trucks out there, your F-150s, your Tundras, etc. I'll go ahead and throw all the other specs up on the screen here. Feel free to pause the video. And then as always, we'll start towards the front, work our way around the outside, and then we'll end on the inside. Let's get started. All right, guys, so starting at the front of the trailer here, you're gonna notice this one does have the power tongue jack. It makes connecting and disconnecting from your truck extremely easy. The kids can help. It's just the push of a button. You do have 2 propane tanks on this unit, 2 20-pound tanks here. And then you're also going to have a really big space here for your battery or batteries that you want to mount up front here. This trailer can accommodate both your traditional wet cell batteries, your AGMs, as well as your lithium batteries. One thing that may not show well on this video here is this trailer has an extremely wide A-frame. What that does is gives this unit a better turning radius or less chance of you jackknifing and hitting the back of your truck when you make those really sharp turns. So really cool to see that. They do feature a fiberglass cap here with an automotive grade paint. It's a 3-layer coating on this, so really well done. And then you've got these cool accent lights and these really cool graphics on the front as well. You do have a little bit of a chip guard down here. And yeah, that's the front. All right, here's another look at the front of the trailer here, guys. I'll just kind of pan around so in case you couldn't see from that last shot. Lots of space for your batteries up front here. This little compartment here, they call it the vault. This is where all your wiring goes. You do have a battery disconnect switch there to the right. But if you take that panel off, all your wires are labeled so you know exactly what you're dealing with from a user standpoint. So really cool how organized all that is. Coming around to the driver's side, again, you'll have those really cool graphics all the way around. Really good size pass-through. We'll get to that in just a moment. Got some marker lights on this side as well. Now, one thing to note, this is a rack and pinion slide. So that's going to be about the most robust slide system that you can get without going to a hydraulic slide system. So really cool to see that. And it is a flush floor slide. You'll be able to see that more when we go inside here. Large panoramic windows on this thing as well. All right, your dump valve is going to be underneath here. Your gray tank here. And then we'll get to the stabilizer jacks as well. But nice big bumper on the back with your full-size spare tire. Most of your connections are going to be on the back here. You've got your, I don't know if I can get that open. It's cold. Your spray port here. City and freshwater connections here, satellite cable, 30 amp power, license plate would go here, of course. Looking up top, you do have a camera prep, so that's already ready to go. You just got to get the camera, of course. And then this one also has the Lippert ladder prep, so there's a specific ladder you can buy to access the roof. This does have a full walkable roof, in case you're wondering. Coming around to the passenger side here towards the rear, you'll have this large compartment door here. This is your outdoor kitchen. So you'll have a little mini fridge here. And then you've got this pull-out griddle. Just below that, you'll have one of the buttons to your power stabilizing jack. So extend, retract, really easy to use. Your propane quick connect is right there as well. So very conveniently placed. You'll have another spray port on this side of the trailer. Nice, wide, solid step here. This is a dual axle trailer, of course. Coming around over here, you'll have access to your appliance or your fridge inside, outdoor power, cable, non-pressurized water there. Exhaust for your furnace and your water heater access panel there. I'll go ahead and step back and give you a better side profile of this trailer. This does feature a pretty sizable power awning as well, as you can see. And then let's go check out that pass-through storage. So all your doors are held up with magnets. That's super convenient. Battery, or excuse me, your solar disconnect switch there. You do have lighting throughout here. There's a good look at the aluminum framing in there. Just over 40 cubic feet of space in here, so you can fit quite a bit of gear in here. This is your solar controller. This is a 30 amp controller, and this one's got 190 watts mounted on the roof. So all right, guys, that pretty much sums it up for the outside. Let's head on inside. Okay, guys, so something else I wanted to mention while I'm out here, apart from having wider solid steps here, the door is actually 30 inches wide. So I'm a pretty big guy. I'm 6'1", 270 pounds, and I don't have any issues getting in and out of this trailer because it's so wide. So for us taller folks out there, it's perfect. Okay, let's see what the inside looks like, guys. So stepping on up, we'll start here in the pantry. So you'll notice this door right off to the right. This is gonna be your walk-in pantry. So lots and lots of room in here for all your stuff. You could even use this as a closet if you'd like. All right, and then being a rear bath model, that's the star of the show, of course. So take a look at this giant bathroom here. Huge, huge counter space in here as well. Single compartment sink. You've got power, lots of storage, access to your plumbing underneath here. You'll have your medicine cabinet just above that. And then you've got additional storage right here. More storage over here. Good size little cubbies. You get 3 of them on this side. Really good size shower here. Again, I'm 6'1", and I've got plenty of headroom in this shower. And then you've got your toilet. Now, one thing I've noticed, again, I'm a bigger guy, so sitting on this toilet's actually very comfortable. I feel like I have plenty of room to man spread. So awesome, awesome. And then your privacy door, of course. So this is just a pocket door that'll slide shut. Panning around to the living room here. Good size couch here. One thing I've noticed is this couch is extremely comfortable. This also turns into a full-size queen bed when you flip it out. So that's your additional sleeping space if you do have people coming with you. Here's your 4-person dinette. So something interesting that they've done, which I wish every manufacturer would do, is they've made these seat cushions able to just flip up like this. So you have quick access to that storage underneath your dinette chairs, rather than having to pull all the cushions off, take the panel off, and then get to your items. So this one also will drop down into a small bed here as well. So again, now you've got 2 additional sleeping spaces in addition to the master bedroom. Let's take a look at the kitchen here. Really, really cool design here. All your cabinetry in this trailer is real wood. So it's not the MDF wrapped stuff. This is real genuine wood. So lots and lots of storage underneath. Lots of drawers here. Another good sized one over here. And then you saw that overhead. You do get a microwave and a 3-burner stove here with a nice glass backdrop here to protect the walls. You will have a good size single compartment stainless steel sink here with this cutting board inlay or whatever you want to call that. And then something kind of cool that they're doing is they've gone to an air fryer instead of an oven. So this is the air fryer, and that rack does come out to increase the capacity. This one does feature this is an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. It's gas electric. As most people out west like the gas electric over just the 12 volt. And then good size freezer, of course. You do get a nice TV in this one. I don't know the exact dimensions on this, but it looks like it's maybe a 48 inch or so, right in that ballpark, maybe a 42. Nice Furrion sound bar. And then take a look at this fireplace, guys. Really, really cool colors, and it does put off a good amount of heat. Now, one thing to note, your furnace, all your vents, they're not in the floor. You'll see that in a lot of other trailers. All your vents are here and scattered throughout, but none of them are on your floor, so you don't have to worry about cleaning out the vents or kids dropping things in vents or, you know, pets and all that stuff. There's a huge list of things, but yeah, let's go check out the bedroom real quick. So again, king bed in this unit. Now, they've done something smart. Because a trailer can only be so wide, a lot of manufacturers don't want to put a king bed in them because it limits the amount of space around the bed. So what they've done is they've put the king bed in here, but this whole unit can slide side to side. So maybe you want more walkable room on this side, or maybe on the other side to access your closet here. So a little bit more versatility now that you can move the bed back and forth like that. And then of course there's going to be a good size compartment underneath here that you can store and stash a bunch of things. You will have power on both sides here for your devices at night, and then you've got hanging storage on either side as well as a good size overhead storage. Alrighty. So that pretty much sums it up, guys, for the 2600 RB. As always, haven't covered everything in this video, but if there's something I missed or something you'd like, maybe you got a question or something, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. If you enjoy content like this, please drop a like on this video, maybe share it with a friend, subscribe if you want to see any other videos like this. As always, guys, thanks for watching.